Alright, so what is Amazon Flex? Well, Amazon Flex, it's basically just a gig job. You know, Uber Eats, you deliver food for people. It's kind of the same thing, just for Amazon. What I do mainly, I deliver groceries. Here, I'm at the UAZ1 Prime warehouse here in Phoenix, Arizona. It's located right off 48th Street and Washington. I mean, it's kind of public information. Anyone can look it up. And I just deliver groceries most of the time, and it's pretty good. The more drops I do, the more tips I could earn. So it's great for me. You know, Marissa does it. Marissa's my wife. We both do it, and we've been saving up a lot of money over the summer. It helps us pay our bills, and I recommend it for anyone who's interested. Anyone who has a car, anyone can go do it. All there is a background check. You pass the background check, and then they'll submit your application. They'll approve your application, and then you can get on the road. Pretty simple. Yeah. If you guys are interested to learn more about it, I will have links in the description below, so make sure you check that out. Also, I'm going to be having affiliate links down below for the gear that I'm using to record this video. Right now, I'm recording through my Sony camera, and you guys just, yeah, definitely check out the links down below. I'm going to have links down there, so sounds good. Catch you later. Alrighty, I just got my packages. I got my route assigned to me. I'm going to start scanning them, and this is what you'll get. Once you get your route, once you accept the route, this is what it'll look like. All right, let's go. So, here it is. Let's see. Okay, I'm a little overexposed. I can correct that. There we go. Sorry about that. I was in the car, but now I'm in the sun. But correctly exposed my shot. Beautiful. So, this is what it looks like. You can see them over there. They're doing their own thing. I have to scan. Just look at here's my phone. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but here is my itinerary of all the packages I have to scan. And it seems I have 23 packages. So all I have to do is go here. You see this label right here? There's 1 out of 4. I grab my phone, and then I do this. Bam. That's 1. 23 to go. Alright. I have a lot of work to do. Stay tuned. And I'll be done soon. Won't take me that long. I'm usually the first guy that finishes scanning the packages. Sorry if the camera's a little shaky. This is my first time. Filming a video for my YouTube channel. I'm just trying it out and see how it goes. But yeah, can you guys see all the people that are here? Everyone is here waiting for their routes. Yeah. Alright, let's do this. See you guys in a bit. Well, that's too bad, but my trunk kind of covers it. I was hoping that you guys can see what I'm doing. Let's take a look. Alright, I'm all done. Now it's time to put them in the car. Okay, so now Am I recording? I'm recording. So now it's time to put the bags in the car. The best way, you kind of have to basically sort the packages by the 3 letters. You see how it says BDL? Okay. This one says HAZA. Yeah. So I'm gonna sort these packages, and you see how it says the 3rd out of 4. So this tells me there's 4 packages. So I'm gonna put 4 packages in my car, and I'm gonna group them together as best as I can. That way, so when the time comes to get the packages out of the car, it'll be a lot easier. All right, I'll be doing that in just a minute. All right, I just want to show you, just quickly show you what I'm doing. So, can you guys see? I have two BDL together. I'm missing 2 more. Over here, I have 6 of these, so I'm missing 3 more, and I have 4 of these, so I'm missing 1 more. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. As you can see, all the other drivers got their stops as well. Everyone is busy sorting, and the way of the game is basically finishing as soon as possible. The faster you finish, the faster you can go home. Oh, he's about to drop his package. Nah, he didn't drop it. Alright. It's pretty easy, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm having fun with this one, recording this video. So if you guys like this video too, drop it a thumbs down or thumbs up. Please, thumbs up. Alright, here we go. Alright, almost done. Here we go. So, oh my gosh. Overexposed. Sorry about that. Here we go. Got 2 left. Got the rest in the car. Haha, this ND filter is a shit. Alright. Here's what that looks like. Pretty neat, pretty organized. 6 packages here. 4 packages. Alright. Here's what that looks like. I would go on that side, but that guy's car is so close to mine. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put these 2 packages in the front with me. Okay, just like that. One more, just like that. Done. Beautiful. Now, I can go return this black part back to them. Let's do that. Yeah, I'm not going to take this camera with me. We're back. I'm back in the car, finished loading up all the packages so you guys can see. I got packages right here, I got packages behind me, and now you might be asking yourself, now what do we do? Right, easy. On my phone is the GPS. The GPS tells you where you need to go. So you guys can see, that's number 2, stop number 2, stop number 3, stop number 4, and yeah, basically you just knock these out. I like to go as quick as possible. It's just my preference. I've been doing this for about 1.5 years, I believe. And yeah, I'm using my trusty Mazda. It's a Mazda 3 2006. And man, this car is a tank. Right now I have a check engine light. Don't worry about that. I'm not worried. Alright. Yes, 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 yes. That beeping, oh my goodness, drives me nuts. So I'm delivering to this really nice house. I want to show you guys something. I'm really not supposed to do this, but if I get in trouble, I get in trouble. Okay, here we go. This is the last package. Just like that. Here's one more. Oh my gosh. Check out this Ferrari. You guys see it? Beautiful. Check that out right there. Isn't that cool? It's very cool. Alright. Then, don't forget, take a picture of the drop. Continue. Front door. Yes, continue. Take a picture of that. Ship it. That's what we say at work. Ship it. Okay, all done. One more stop. Got the GPS going. It's beautiful out here, guys. Beautiful area. Paradise Valley. One day, one day. All right. Last stop. This is the last stop for me. This is the last one. Hope you guys had fun with me. Amazon Flex is super easy. Anyone can do it. You just gotta have a car. You gotta pay for your own gasoline. They don't pay for gasoline. And yeah. Just gotta have a phone. That's about it. Yes. Okay, let's put this camera right here. Can you guys see that? He is just taking off. Oh, come on. Yeah, that is pretty cool. Alright, time to head home.